drama in the Republic of Kenya, as Kenyan's youth have given William Samoei Ruto, the current president, 48 hours to dismantle the IEBC only source of information, is that youth leaders reject shortlist for IEBC commissioners, demand inclusion. A wave of discontent has erupted among Kenyan's youth following the release of the Independent Electoral and Boundary Commission IEBC shortlist for chairperson and commissioners. They have given the panel a 48-hour ultimatum to address their grievances, warning the failure to act while prompt legal action, mass protest, and parliamentary intervention. With the youth making up 70% of Kenya's population, the exclusion from a such critical institution has ignited concerns about fairness and inclusivity in governance. All eyes are now on the IEBC section panel to see if it will aid the demand and rectify the continuous process. Ni kubaya. Raundi vile niliwaambia ni wananchi na IEBC na Ruto wanataka kujua kura huwa wanaiba na wapi. Hiyo ndio kitu ya kwanza. If they have such kind of courage, now starting to give the IEBC 48 hours to dismantle the shortlisted one, then the current head of state is not safe. If they have courage to demand that they want someone, the person they want to be at the IEBC is the best person for them, then these people are well prepared to make William Ruto one-term president. And I told you very earlier that, remember, 2027 is ahead of us. Before 2027, we are going to see wonders. Remember, President Ruto have started to campaign. As I told you, after visiting Nairobi, is now in central Kenya. Did I not say that? Is now in central Kenya. Which is okay. Let him do what makes him happy. Let him start preparing himself. Because kila mtu atabeba mzigo yake mwenyewe. But why do you think these 48 hours have been given to the IEBC by Kenyan's youth? Number one, they don't trust these people. And if they don't trust these people, it means that they believe that these people might raid William Ruto again, 2027. They also believe that these are Ruto's friend. And they don't want such kind of a scenario. If it is a matter of free and fair election, Kenyans preparing to defeat William Ruto at the ballot plane. As I said, that if they plan to reject William Ruto or not voting to William Ruto, then William Ruto is going to bring another option. The option which Ruto is going to bring is to rig election. And that is what Kenyan's youth are now giving 48 ultimatum. That they don't want some people who might be easily convinced when things turn wild and favor one side. Hey, watu wanajipanga. Mayouth wanajipanga. rais anajipanga, wananchi kama sisi pia tunajipanga. Sasa mimi pia nilikuwa nataka niingie, wacha nikanyage kidogo. Nilikuwa nataka niingie waniendorse kwa IEBC, wacha nikanyage kidogo, kwa sababu mayouth wanaweka mitego kila pahali. Ruto ataelekea wapi? Tutaelekea wapi? This country, I like the energetic movement coming from our youth. They are right. You cannot, I'm also youth, you cannot intimidate the youth in this country. And that is why I urge President Ruto, at least he ought to consider youth and give them job. The moment it will happen and become the head of state, of course, we must recognize youth in this country. Wape youth kazi. Wale wako 25 wamaliza shule, 28, 26, wape hata ma-PSS. Let them enjoy this life. Bora unaweka precaution. Hakuna mtu yote atakubali corruption in this country. But you see now, they are wondering and saying, no, if we don't fight, this IEBC might favor you. Now that I'm revealing to you now, you go and convince these people by giving them job. No, in fact, giving youth job is supposed to be automatic. In fact, demanding. In fact, you know it. But now they feel that the IEBC is not still honest to the people in the Republic of Kenya. And that is why they are now demanding you to remove those who are shortlisted by the IEBC. The big question is, are they going to be listened to? Or there is still demonstration in the Republic of Kenya coming, and it's really near. Ladies and gentlemen, what are your take? Kindly drop your opinion at the comment section below. I rest my case at this point. I wish you all the best, and let's meet on another political discussion. If you've never subscribed to this broadcast, kindly subscribe, like my videos, or share, and give us your opinion. Bye bye.